Every time I come out to a place like this, you know, it's quiet. I'm kind of unplugged for the most part. You know, there's not a lot of chaos. It's just really relaxing. And I really enjoy being out in these different places. And I think about all the people that are not taking advantage of our great outdoors for whatever reason. And, you know, I just want to encourage you guys, you know, there's so much wilderness out there, you know, even if it's just a national park or a state park or it's a local park, it doesn't matter. Just get off your couch and get outside and enjoy it. Take your family out there. You know, there's a lot of intangibles that come from this, you know, this experience of just being outdoors, and those places are there for us to use. The other thing I would say is never let anyone else define your outdoor experience. All right, there's a lot of people that will tell you, you know, that's not bushcraft, or that's not survival, or that's not this, or, you know, I would never do that. Well, that doesn't really matter what they would do. It matters what you would do. It matters what you enjoy when you go out in the forest. It matters what you and your family enjoy. So whatever that is, it's going to be more enjoyable than sitting on the couch. So I encourage you guys, you know, pack up for the weekend, go out and find the closest place you can get out and get unplugged, get into the wild, and don't let anybody define what that is for you. You decide what that is based on your own experience. So if you enjoy camping in an RV at a campground and you still have the socialization ability with other people, then by all means do that. You know, if you enjoy going out with very minimal kit and practicing primitive skills on the land, and you like that connection with the land and connection with our ancestors, then by all means do that. But don't let anybody tell you that that's wrong. What's wrong is sitting on your couch and sitting on the couch with your family, watching TV, watching other people live their lives when you could be out in the wilderness living yours. And I think, you know, don't let anybody define it for you. Get out there and enjoy it and find out what your version of that outdoor experience is that you enjoy, and just keep doing that. You know, life is too short to sit on the couch. So I've definitely enjoyed my time here in the Ozarks. There's a lot of resources and it's a really beautiful place to be, and I have definitely enjoyed being here. But, you know, my time eventually will come to a close here because I'm headed back up to the Adirondacks. But definitely enjoyed my time here. Definitely recommend this as a place that you and your family could come to really enjoy a good outdoor experience, whatever that means to you.